Hello viewers, welcome back to the Moose Mobile Auto Repair channel. And today I have a 2015 Toyota Sienna, and today we are going to be replacing the driver's side low beam headlight. So as you can see here, the passenger side is working over there, but the driver's side isn't. So I'm going to show you on how to replace the driver's side. So the driver's side low beam bulb is located here. It's relatively a simple procedure. So anyhow, you would turn this counterclockwise, or you can disconnect the connector first. It doesn't really matter. So turn this counterclockwise, and then it comes right out. Just push down on the tab here to disconnect the bulb. And then it comes right out. Just make sure that the rubber gasket here is not still on the housing, because if it's still on the housing, then you would need to remove it. So anyhow, this is an H11 bulb. This one is my replacement bulb. Here's the old one, and here's the new one. Just make sure the connector and the pins are exactly the same. You can put some dielectric grease onto the connector if you want to prevent corrosion. So now you can put some dielectric grease if you want to prevent corrosion. So now I want to install a new bulb. Just insert it the same way you took it out, and then turn it clockwise until the socket locks in place. Reinstall the connector. Make sure the connector it clicks in. And now you should be all good to go. So now I'm just going to turn the headlights on just to confirm the repair. So now both headlights are working now. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful and you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you're not already a subscriber. And if you have a question or a comment, please leave them below and I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. Have a good day and take care.